नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। आफ्टर फ्राइडेज शार्प रैली, ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस सॉ अ subdued trading session on Monday, ending on a mixed note. The lackluster movement on the Wall Street reflected caution among traders ahead of the US-China trade discussions that could potentially ease tensions between the two economic giants. The Dow closed nearly unchanged, while the Nasdaq and S&P 500 edged higher by 0.17% and 0.09% respectively. Technically, the major trend of the S&P 500 is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Talking about Brent crude has recently surged above its 50-day EMA level and started moving higher. Also, it has given a downward sloping trendline breakout on a daily chart, which is a bullish sign. Going ahead, the 100-day EMA zone of 68 to $68.3 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of 65.6 to $65.4 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index has been trading within a narrow range over the past few sessions. However, its position below key moving averages signals a bearish undertone. Going ahead, the zone of 99.7 to 100 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 98 to 97.8 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, the Nifty continued its upward trajectory on Monday, marking gains for the fourth consecutive session. Despite the bullish opening, the index moved within a narrow 83-point range, the lowest intraday movement since August 30, 2024. The small bodied candle on the chart reflects indecision and a lack of aggressive buying at higher levels. Nonetheless, Nifty managed to close at an 8-month high. Additionally, it closed above the 18-session consolidation band. Despite consolidation in frontline indices, the broader market indices have strongly outperformed the frontline indices since the last couple of trading sessions. On Monday, both Nifty Midcap and Nifty Small Cap 100 surged by over 1%. आगे जाके इंडेक्स के लिए 25,170 to 25,200 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 25,200 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो एक रैली देखने को मिल सकता है जो शॉर्ट टर्म में 25,350 तक जा सकता है और उसके बाद 25,500 तक भी। वही डाउनसाइड में 25,000 to 24,970 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the June future surged by 0.34%, while the combined open interest for the current next and far series surged by 0.12%. The 25,200 strike has significant call open interest followed by 25,300 strike. On the put side, 25,000 has a substantial open interest followed by 24,900 strike. For the weekly series, OI PCR is at 0.93. Talking about Bank Nifty hit a fresh all-time high on Monday but remained confined within a narrow range of just 257 points, indicating a pause in momentum. आगे जाके 56,600 to 56,500 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा, जबकि अपसाइड में 57,000 to 57,100 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल के तौर पर एक्ट करने की संभावना है। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also traded within a tight 300-point range, its narrowest intraday range in recent times. आगे जाके इंडेक्स के लिए 82,100 to 82,000 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही अपसाइड में 82,700 to 82,800 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल होगा। On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 0.29% and the open interest of the current series has dipped by 13.69%. The 82,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 83,000 strike. On the put side, 82,000 has a substantial open interest followed by an 81,500 strike. The OI PCR is at 1.01. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX trading below its short and long term moving averages. Further, the daily RSI is quoting below the 40 mark and it is in the falling mode. This shows the overall market volatility has decreased significantly. The advance decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of advancers. Talking about the key sectors, the Nifty India Tourism, Nifty Pharma and Nifty Healthcare are on the verge of giving a trendline breakout. Apart from these, Nifty Private Bank, Financial Services, Realty, PSU Banks, Oil and Gas, CPSE and PSE space are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data, in the cash segment, both the FIs and DIs were net buys yesterday to the tune of 1,993 crores and 3,504 crores respectively. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 19.66, as on a net basis they sold 3,142 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.